Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Coleman Camping Cot. If a comfortable night's sleep is your top priority, look no further than the airbed cot from Coleman. Part inflatable mattress and part portable cot, this sleeping solution takes camping to a new level of luxury and was easily our best overall pick. Coleman's leak-proof system, you can count on this inflatable cot to remain fully pumped throughout the night. Additionally, advanced coil construction offers top-notch support and an impressive capacity of 300 pounds. The durable steel frame unfolds quickly, and 2 pull-out side tables provide space for drinks and personal items. Though this cot will inevitably take up a significant amount of storage space in your kit, it does have a versatile design that will allow you to get the most out of its bulky size. The cot and airbed can be separated to create sleeping space for 2. This cot comes with a sewn-in cover, a battery-powered pump for easy inflation, and a burly carrying bag. Number 2 in this best camping cot list is Coleman Trailhead 2 Cot. The Trailhead 2 Cot from Coleman is spacious enough to fit sleepers over 6 feet tall and keeps all sleepers over a foot off the ground. The attached side pockets add a great touch of organization, holding your glasses, headlamp, and other smaller items. The rails are slightly elevated to add security and prevent sleepers from rolling off. The canvas is firm and supportive, and it has a frame sturdy enough to withstand you and your tent mates fighting over who gets to sleep in it. This cot's steel X-shaped frame and double stitching add durability, giving you years of use before breaking down. It folds up and stores in the included carry case, so it's easy to store and pack in the car. Eliminates the discomfort of sleeping on rough or cold ground. Elevated comfort, eliminates the discomfort of sleeping on rough or cold ground, built to last. Our third choice is Coleman Comfort Smart Cot. The Comfort Smart Cot from Coleman provides the most comfort you can get per dollar spent. The thick foam sleeping pad acts as a mattress for bed-like cushioning. The coil suspension system imitates a box spring as well, giving you a closer approximation to your bed at home. The strong steel frame adds durability, and the simple folding design means you can set it up in minutes. The length will fit sleepers up to 6'6" tall and can hold up to 275 pounds, so it can handle everyone from the average NFL tight end to kids. We love the simplicity and comfort. You're basically getting a portable bed with this cot. With Comfort Smart as its huge packed size, as it's built for camping right next to your car. It folds down into a quarter of its full length, which gives it a square profile that is very cumbersome to carry. It takes up a lot of space in the car as well. If you're not traveling in an SUV or wagon, it's going to take over a lot of real estate in your trunk. Fourth pick in this best camping cot list is Coleman Pack-Away Camping Cot. Coleman's camping cot with side table adds easy to set up and break down. The cot provides plenty of support. It's not light enough for backpacking, but at 20 pounds, it's not too heavy to carry to a hike and campsite. And the lack of crossbars at the head and feet keep you from whacking your head or feet in the middle of the night. It's important to note that the cot does not lock into position, so it can collapse if you don't have the legs fully extended. Just make sure that you double check that the legs are fully spread before you lie on it. The table is useful for keeping items close at hand while you sleep. It's great for stashing your glasses, headlamp, a book, and a bottle of water next to you while you sleep. Our fifth and last choice is Disco Bed Double Camping Cot. This versatile, ready-to-go bunkable cot, with its patented lock-in disc system, makes for an easy, one-person assembly that is tool-free and only takes a few minutes to set up using the step-by-step instructions. Good to know that the Disco Bed L also fits a broad range of tents and dome structures commonly used in recreational camping. With the included set of stack adapters, you are able to place one cot on the other, so to maximize the number of sleepers per square foot. By quick action, the system can be converted into a sitting bench during the day, a bunk, or alternatively 2 single cots at night. Simply put, the Disco Bed L offers you one system with many options. You get to choose. The two included side organizers connect easily to the sleeping deck using the simple hook and loop system. The organizers include a number of zippered sleeves and pockets to accommodate water bottles, reading and writing materials, a flashlight, keys, an electronic device, and any other items you may need. A longer sleeve is also provided to accommodate either a riffle or fishing rod.